Hey, you're drooling. Get her a paper towel.
God. Hold on.
Does it hurt?
No. Her stomach's gonna hurt from crying.
What's so funny?
Here, wipe your mouth.
Your chin.
Your chin. She doesn't know why she's.
That's why they call it laughing gas.
Wait till you see. Okay, no more. It's not funny anymore. Okay, it's not funny anymore. It doesn't hurt. She was only out for a few minutes.
Yeah. What'd they do?
Do you mind? You're not upset that we're mocking you and saving you, are you? Your stomach's gonna hurt from laughing so hard. Until the pain medicine wears off, and then she'll be crying.
You want pork chops for dinner?
No, she has to eat some soft stuff. You can take that gauze out if you want, honey. It's really not doing much in there.
You're gonna choke on it.
You can take the gauze out. Do you want to take the gauze out? You can. He says you can because it's cauterized, so it shouldn't be bleeding.
Cauterize. That's a funny word.
Okay.
It's almost as funny as
If you want-
chupacabra. Knock knock. You're supposed to say who's there. You're supposed to say who's there. Don't laugh yet. I didn't even tell you the joke.
Oh. The cat's making you laugh. You got scared. You can take out your. Have you ever felt like that? I've never felt like that. I don't know what it feels like.
Just close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't look at Doug. Don't look at Doug.
You can take it out. Because he said you're not supposed to. You can take it out. It's not even doing anything. It's just staying there because they're laughing so hard. You want me to take it? Why don't you just lay on the couch and rest a little bit, and then we can.
Wait, I know. Why don't you go back to school? You'll be like the class clown. Don't look at that lamp over there. Don't look at the lamp. It'll make you laugh.
Stop. Stop.
Look at the TV. That's a silly TV.
All right, you need.